November?
February 4th.
Oh my God, Jerry. Yeah, you got kicked out of school.
It's on Bobby.
Wow.
You got caught sucking someone's dick.
So sick. Yeah. Professor. Wow, man. The guy, Professor. Thanks.
Here, I'll come.
Dude, why didn't you tell anybody?
It was supposed to be a secret.
I guess.
Like,
You know, I heard congratulations. I guess it worked, huh? Wow.
Hey, reenact how you were screaming outside real quick. Because we can hear you from upstairs. Go. What?
No, it was genuine. I can't reenact that.
That was hella loud, yeah, Rock. What? I'll say it for you again. What?
Oh, people is like, hey, that's Jerry.
That's gotta be Jerry. No way.
You were looking throughout the door. You guys need to be a little bit more.
Close this door so they don't see you.
Yeah, that'll block it.
Oh.
We gotta see D's reaction. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this off.
Okay. Where's D? I saw his car outside.
Really?
That's not his red car? Isn't that his car?
No, that's his red one.
Okay, turning.